face.
Usually
That quarter.
when you put the straw in.
That quarter action.
Come on, stop foaming. It's really foaming a lot. Yeah.
Leinenkugal.
Hell yeah. What did we just watch? We watched Success, baby. That was Success. Eagles wild card. They did it. And Parquet did not with that badonkadonk. That double doink. Yeah, that double doink. It's time to celebrate. Yeah. This is look at that. That's some good B-roll right there. And it is. Is that be a victory? This is a victory. Playoffs! Wild card. He's talking a lot of beers for the Eagles. Yeah. So it should be fair, but you got Leinenkugal, snowdrift, vanilla porter, 6%. Man, this is so good. This is what victory tastes like.
Woo!
Listen, it's the first shotgun of 2019. Oh, yeah. It is. So, shotgun.
2019.
Yeah, 2019. You guys foaming ready? No bird. No bird. Leinenkugal. Bottoms down? Bottoms down. To the bird. Woo! So it went down quick. Woo!
Yeah.
So much foam! A lot of foam. That's good though. Oh, that's fantastic. Oh, yeah. So sweet. Yeah, a little bit sweet. A lot of vanilla. Oh, I'm good. All right. Well, so ashtray? Lining the Bud Light lime on your palate still. That's also true. Yeah. Victory tastes like a cigarette.
Sometimes.
Citrusy victory. Leinenkugal's, that is to you. Leinenkugal. Fucking Eagles. Eagles. Recording going.
You know how I do. Unboxing.
Unboxing. I normally you're like, oh yeah, I got a 16 ouncer. Fuck.
At least you kept them out of the fridge. Oh, they're still cold though.
No, I pulled them out at the beginning of the halftime, so they're still cold. I feel the cold through the gloves. Yeah,
it's cold.
Through the glove liner and the
it's
glove.
16 ounce.
Let's try to warm this up a bit.
We'll see if I can fucking
Warm it up with you.
crack it.
I don't. Okay. Oh yeah, can you crack it? Do you need me to?
Probably use the key.
That's gonna be tough. That'd be something. You still trying to warm it up?
Yeah, I'm trying to warm it up. Woo!
Oh.
Yeah.
Right on the tummy. Right on the next step.
Oh wait, you want it on my penis? You want it on my penis? And then you want to switch cans because you want to taste my pecker? Alright. It's cold. No, Alright.
Oh. Yeah, it's cold.
Fucking shotgun Sunday again. Woo! Eagles are in the lead.
Eagles, halftime Eagles. Oh man. Hopefully pull it out.
So we got a fucking beer to shotgun from a brew we haven't done yet. Lord Hobo Brewing Company with their Boom Sauce, which is a New England IPA, sporting a 7.8%, 16 ounces. Someone said that they need to be responsible, so I wanted to make sure that wasn't going to happen.
Yeah, it's me. Almost 8%.
Yeah,
A fucking
16 ounce.
full fucking 16 ounce. We haven't done a 16 ounce in a while.
Yeah, exactly.
So-
And I know how much you boys love IPAs, so
This is okay. Well, whatever. Boom sauce.
yeah. Bottoms down.
God damn it. Oh, that's way too big of a hole.
Oh, I can't pop mine. Fuck. Oh, this is a shit show.
Oh. Woo! That is juicy. Oh man, I got the outward fucking can fucking jabbing in my fucking. Oh. Alright, hold on. Fuck, that's smooth. That is delicious.
Wow, that was my worst ever. It's because I was wearing gloves. I don't care.
Alright. But woo! That was good. I don't care.
That was pretty juicy.
No, that's New England IPAs. That's like,
That wasn't as IPA as other IPAs.
well, I think that was good. That was smooth too.
Yeah, it tasted good. I got like probably a third, but I fucked up.
That fucking
Lord Hobo?
Lord Hobo.
Lord
Company.
Hobo, that is to you.
Fuck yeah.
Boom sauce. Drink it.
Whew. Look at that was a good hole.
Yeah, that's Franklin Steelers early. He gets real handsy. Is this a man or a bitch? I can't tell.
Uber driver?
Yeah, I can't tell.
Oh, good for you.
55-star trips. Woo!